Hi, in this video we will show you how to install Epson L566 printer on Windows. Let's get started. Click the folder. Then right-click this PC and select Properties. This is the version of your operating system. Download the printer driver from the official site or from the video description below according to your operating system version. Second, disconnect your printer's USB cable from the computer. Next, we double-tap the driver icon. We wait a moment. Select the Epson L566 printer on Windows. Click OK. Select a language. Let's tick the circle to accept the agreement. Then wait a moment. Select the USB option and click OK. And done. Then we check by clicking Windows, then Settings, and select Device. In it we select Printers and Scanners. There you can see the Epson L566 installed. When you connect the printer it will detect it automatically and then follow further instructions on screen. That's it. Please like, share and subscribe to YouTube's free printer support channel.